This is the March GlossyBox. This edit is called Dreamy Days. It has a value of over £68. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this is the March GlossyBox. Let's open her up. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it will just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. So here is the box. It's just their normal pink box this month. This costs £14.75 per month. If you are interested in subscribing to this box, if you click the link down below in the information box or the comment box, it will get your first box for £10. The longer you subscribe for, the cheaper it becomes monthly, so bear that in mind when you go on over to select which subscription that you want. Just to be totally clear and transparent, this box has been gifted to me. This is my PR box. I have not paid anything for it. I get given it every month to film an unboxing on my channel to show you what's in it. That's exactly what we're going to do. My views and thoughts are my own. If I don't like something in here, I will certainly let you know. Let's have a sneak peek to see what we have. So this is inside the box. We get a little card. Oh, if I can pick it up. We get a little card with a QR code on the back. We scan that and it comes up with the edit card, and it'll have information on all the products in there. I'm hoping that's going to scan because it's white. So far only the black QR codes have worked on my phone, so we will see in just a minute. Let's have a sneak peek. There is a sneak peek for you, but let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. See if this works. Ooh, yeah. Oh, I thought it was working, but I've scanned it and it has taken me to their website to subscribe. I already subscribe. I get my PR box and I subscribe. Okay, it worked, but it didn't take me to the edit card. We're freestyling it, so I apologise now, but let's get to it. It says on their website that this month's box is worth over £68, and on the edit card it says that this edit is called Dreamy Days. First item in the box is this. So this is by the brand L'Occitane, and it is Cream Main's Dry Skin Hand Cream. I don't know if this is a full size or not, but it's 30ml. I don't think it is. Not really excited by this, if I'm 100% honest with you, only because I have so many hand creams in my drawer behind me. From lockdown, all the beauty boxes went absolutely mad on hand sanitizer and hand cream, and I think I've got 1 or 2 of these already. Great brand though, absolutely love that brand. But yeah, we've got a hand cream. Second product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Jorgobe. I hope I'm saying that right, probably not. And this is their niacinamide serum. It just says the evidence-based concentration of 5% niacinamide recreates the natural balance of the skin, reduces the appearance of impurities, and contributes to a fresher, more even skin tone. Yeah, I love niacinamide in my skincare, especially if it does help with skin tone. This is definitely not a full size. There's 15ml that you get in here, so enough to give it a little try to see if you like it. Let's have a look. For best results, apply every morning and evening on clean skin. This is 100% vegan and fragrance free. It's 92.8% naturally derived, and it is made in Denmark. So the third item we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand collab, and it is their 1-minute transformation styling cream. Instantly remoisturizes and eliminates frizz. Again, I don't think this is a full size product because there's only 30ml in here, but it just says create the perfect styling under 60 seconds, developed for colour treated hair. This all-in-one formula transforms parched, unruly hair into glossy polished style without blow drying hair from wet. Apply a small amount to frizzy hair unruly areas and brush through with a flat brush to smooth away frizz. Or for a more professional finish, wrap unruly sections around a round brush and hit with a blow dryer for 15 seconds for use on dry hair. So yeah, that certainly sounds interesting. I love Colour Wow products, so really happy to get this. I can't wait to try that out. Love trying out hair products. The fourth item in the box is this. So this is by the brand Aurikah, and this is an orgasmic perfume stick. Okay, that sounds interesting. I don't know if this is a full-size product or not, but it says that this is cardamom, rose and woods, so that's going to be the main bits that you pick up from this. It looks like a lipstick. It has a lid like a lipstick. It acts like a lipstick. Oh, it smells nice. So we're just putting it on my wrist there. I don't know if you can see, it's shiny. It's not sticky, which is good. Oh, guys, that's really nice. I don't know if it only comes in one scent or if there's various scents. I have got no idea, but that is so nice. And it only takes the same amount of room as a lipstick in your bag, which is fantastic. There's not really much information on there. Enhance your aura by perfuming your skin with a soft dab on the areas such as wrist, neck, décolleté. Layer with other perfume balms to create a unique, blendable, personalised scent. Okay, cool. Yeah. I actually really like that. Really like that. Fifth and final item we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Tint Beauty, and it is a phantom liner. Okay. Liquid dip liner with precision tip in the shade Espresso. I think this is a full size product. It's 2.5 mils in here. Liquid tip liner with precision. So is that an eyeliner? Am I being dumb? Ooh, there it is there. I really like that packaging. That's quite cool. Really nice. Oh, don't pull, twist. Ah, okay. So this is the big one is the handle. The smallest bit is the pot. So you dip it in, get your product in, and yeah, apply it away. Oh, let's have a go. So there it is there. We'll wait for that to dry down to see what that is like. But yeah, a really bad angle, but yeah, that's it there. Yeah, let's wait for that to dry and see. You know, I'm not really an eyeliner kind of girl. I suppose if I was to gravitate towards eyeliner, brown would definitely be the colour. I don't know how good I will actually be applying that to my eye because I'm like a toddler drawn with a crayon. But you know, we'll definitely give that a go. It's nice to get a brand that I've never heard of before. Yeah, okay. I quite like that actually, even though I'm not really into eyeliners. But I can feel that drying down. That should be dry in a second. So this is the March GlossyBox, and this edit is called Dreamy Days. What do you think? Personally, it's an okay box. It's not bad. It's not great by any means, but it's not bad. I wish the sizes were a little bit bigger. I think, I mean, I don't know because I haven't got the paperwork, but I think the eyeliner is a full size. At least it looks a full size in any way. I think the perfume stick thing is a full size as well. So that's good. It's a canny decent size of the Colour Wow product for styling your hair. Again, I don't think it's a full size, but it's a decent size. You can use it a fair few times to see if you like it before you consider if you want to purchase the full size one or not. The niacinamide product, that one right there. Yeah, that looks really interesting. Love niacinamide as a ingredient in a skincare, so super excited to try that. And the hand cream, fantastic brand. Love L'Occitane as a brand, just not super excited to get a hand cream. So yeah, like I said, it's not a fabulous box. It's not an out and out rubbish box. It's okay, not a bad box. I think, yeah. What do you think? Did you get the same in your box? Did you get any products that were different to mine? But yeah, again, if you are interested in subscribing to this box, click the link down below in the information box or the comment box. It'll get your first box for a tenner. And yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.